Hey guys, Scott Anderson here for InReal Technologies, and welcome to another exciting Enscape tutorial. Today we will be taking a closer look on the sound simulation feature of Enscape. I have Enscape already opened up with our sample project. Auralization is turned on and we're back on the cafeteria like in the previous video. Over here we have the 2D floor plan of the building. To place an audio source, we click the Play Sound Source button in the Enscape ribbon. We can now place our source on any surface we want. We simply left click the selected surface and we get these blue lines, and they will help us align the audio source with our other objects. Left click again and we get a selection window to select an audio file. And after a quick refresh, our sound source appears inside Enscape as a little speaker symbol. Notice how the sound changes accordingly when I fly through the scene. Even if I leave the room, the appropriate sound is calculated in real time. Alright, let's move to a different part of the building and switch out some materials. Okay, I will drop an audio source into the scene. There it is. And this time I'm gonna switch out the ceiling. I'll locate it inside Revit. And now I'm gonna choose a more sound absorbing ceiling, like Ova Sinfonia. Notice how the sound becomes quieter. Due to the new ceiling, there's also significantly less echoing going on in the scene. When I switch back to concrete surface, the sound will get louder again and there will be more echoing. Again, everything is in real time. So why does the sound change with these different ceilings? Here we have a ceiling from Ova called Trapeze. And if I bring up the Properties tab for the ceiling, we get different acoustic parameters. First is the NRC, or Noise Reduction Coefficient. It specifies how much energy of a sound wave is absorbed when it hits a certain surface. An NRC of 0 means perfect reflection, so no absorption at all. An NRC of 1 means perfect absorption, so no reflection at all. Next, we have the alpha omega value. This is much like the NRC value and absorption value. The difference is the examined frequency spectrum. The alpha omega goes up to 4000 Hz, whereas the NRC stops at 2000 Hz. When I select different ceilings, you can see that the acoustic values vary for the different materials. Some don't have any values applied. Enscape will automatically use values for concrete if you don't specify anything else. If you have any suggestions, send us some feedback through the feedback button in Enscape. That's it for today. Hope you tune in for our next tutorial.